Hello, this is Chris from Polytech, and in this video we are going to learn how to add the frequently asked questions to our site using the Elementor page builder and the Element Kits plugin. First, when you go over to the left bar where it says plugins, we are going to click on add new. And on the search bar we are going to type Elementor add-ons. And this is the one we are going to use, the Element Kits Elementor add-ons. We will add some extra widgets, among them headers and footer builders, and we'll add the widget for the frequently asked questions. So we are going to click on install now, and then we are going to click on activate. And now we are going to go to the name of the site, and we are going to click on visit site. And on the top bar we are going to click on edit with Elementor. Here we are. Now we are going to scroll down to an open section like this one, and on the widget search bar we are going to type FAQ. So here we have the Element Kits frequently asked questions widget. So we are going to click with the left mouse button, drag and release on the open section. So here we have our frequently asked questions tab contents. So we click and we have the title, which in this case is the question, and we can change it by typing whatever we want. Question 1, and on the content we can type the answer 1, and we can do the same for the others, and we can add an extra one or as many as we want. So we are going to move to the style tab, and we have the color of the title, which in this case is the first question we are going to use. It's light blue here, and we can change the typography. It uses the default of the theme, and we can change it to whatever we want, whatever we have installed. And we can change the size, the weight. We can transform it to an uppercase, lowercase, capitalized, and we can change the style, add some decoration, and change the line height and the letter space. We can select a background, classic. We can add a color like this, or we can add an image if we choose to, or we can use a gradient, and we can add a border, and it has some padding by default, but we can modify it if we want by adding or removing right here. And we can add some margin to the title. So we are going to move to the content, and for the content we can do the same. Change the color, it will change the color of the answer. In this case we are going to leave it gray, and we can change the typography in the same manner, and the background too. We can select a different color, add an image, add some border, and the content padding, margin, and the margin of the content. Once we have made all the changes we want to our frequently asked questions, we need to save them by going to the lower left and clicking on the update button. So that's it. We have added frequently asked questions to our website using the Elementor page builder and the Element Kits plugin in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Polytech.